Hey guys, it's TBW563 along with
Western Emergency Alerts.
and
East Melbourne WX.
And today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the second reecom R-1603 an EAS person has owned. The first person was SBC Cranford, and now I have taken the bold move to buy one. So I have the 1630 set up. Oh yeah, I didn't record the unboxing for the 1630. And so, let's see. Here's the pamphlet. And here's the strobe. It's in a bag.
Reecom, it comes in a little bag.
reecom strobe flashing light, model R-1603A. Let's get the strobe. Let's get the. Let's see. Strobe / flashing light. Let's. Okay, I need to get batteries. I forgot. The the strobe light's battery operated.
It takes either 2 or 3 AA's or 2 or 3 AA's.
Wow, so this is the strobe. I have to say, pretty big strobe. And it wasn't lying. It has 8 LEDs. So let's see. It's it's 3 AA batteries. 3 AA batteries.
That thing's gonna take like a year to die.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It even shows how you set the alarm socket and stuff. It needs to be set to a switch. So I'm going to go get 3 AA batteries. I will be right back. So chat amongst yourselves. The camera's still running.
Oh yes, nothing like it.
Yo, imagine spending $40 on a strobe light.
Yeah, like imagine you could buy like a whole other reecom for that money, basically. The one, or R-1650 or an R500. But not many people have an R500, but it's very hard to find.
I'm gonna bet right now that YouTube is gonna disable the comments on this video.
What?
YouTube has some really bad bots.
Ooh.
That was a loud ping.
That was a very loud thing. You wait for that?
I think I hear him running upstairs.
I can hear him.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, so let's pop the batteries. Well, actually, I'm gonna read this for the manual because I'm stupid. So, insert 3 batteries. So let's see. 1. Okay. Alkaline battery to collect priority as the indicated inside the battery compartment. Okay. Bunch of hoogie-doogie crap. Oh yeah, also there's 2 screw mounts on the top of the strobe. Okay, I just inserted batteries. So now...
Put it in the reecom.
Well, yeah, I just want to check and see if I have to change any settings. I don't think I do, because I have the alarm...
No, it should be on switch by default.
I have it set on switch by default.
Yeah.
So let's see. Oh, that's
Just
cool.
have to plug it in.
Yeah. So hold on. I'm just gonna keep the strobe flashing light 3 feet distance from your eyes and avoid light flashing on your eyes directly. Is it that bright?
Figure it out.
I don't want to know now. Oh no.
Maybe like a dark room, yeah, it could blind you, but
I'm gonna be. Oh boy, now I'm really.
It's fine. It could leave
Oh, okay. It just flashed when I plugged it in. It turned. Yeah, okay. I plugged it in now. It kind of flashed. Okay.
Yeah, strobes do that for some reason.
Let me go to siren test, and here we go. Siren test in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's bright. Ow, that's bright. That is very bright.
You should show it on the camera.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I will. Hold on. I'll show it on here. I'll show you.
You know what? You know what? When we pump sirens.
Here.
Whoa! Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty bright.
Try to press your rim.
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. Let's do a brightness test. What the hell? It's okay. Well, let's.
Well, if it's nighttime and you get an alert, if the sirens don't wake you up, at least the strobe will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's pretty bright.
Yeah. Especially with Leviticus, though.
Did I change the alarm socket? Because it's still going. Hold on. Set on switch. Let me unplug it and then let me replug it. Fixed. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, that was the setup of the reecom R-1603A along with
Rust and emergency alerts.
and
East Melbourne WX.
this is TBW563 and I am signing off.